Okay, so tonight we're going out with Mipo. Hi, Mip. Gwapa kay kadiri sa kuan lang, kaninga lens lang. Kaninga vlog. No.
We're going out. Tamo kay ko atas naman.
No. No.
We're going to Uptown St. John at night. Among i-try og experience kung unsa ang Uptown ikagabi. Let's go! Wanta! Shoot!
Okay, so I'm actually just testing this lens, this picture profile, and I think this is better than the previous settings. You see? Okay, let's go.
Lang mo kung cinematic karon na gabi ha.
Okay, so Mipo wants a cinematic video tonight, and I don't think I can without the gimbal. So I don't know. Let's see.
Gilagyo dapat ka ng straight ko sa de.
Okay. Okay. Alright, so I'll talk to you in a few minutes. Bye. Hey. Okay, so this is the low light test. Let's see if makaka-focus pa rin tong kamerang to. Tingin ko hindi nga nakaka-focus because it's really dark in here, but if we turn on the light, yun, focus na ulit. Yeah, we have to go, I think. I have everything we need. Wallet, I have the phone. So, let's see you later.
Sorry na sa among glass nga medyo dirty because gusto ko i-figure out yung sa tang-tang mong bags. Mga 2 months ago, kami nag-fishing nga napuno siya og bags, literal. Ito doon, di ba nag-inbound sa amin? Like 1 million na products na mag-picture. Oh, comment down below if kanhan mo mag-log me if what worked. Okay? Charot.
Ito. So, ito yung Uptown area, guys, ng St. John. Ito yung Uptown area ng St. John. Kunin ko lang jacket ko kasi mamaya lalamig na naman dito. So, ito nga pala yung lagi kong nilalakaran dati nung sa office pa kami nagwo-work. So, yan yung office namin. Makita niyo. That right there is our office. So, ito yung itsura ng ng St. John paggabi. Walang katao-tao. Yeah. So, lakad lang kami, and I'll just show you around kung anong may expect nyo kung pupunta kayo dito sa St. John. Those are our buses. Kung maaalala nyo nga pala sa mga previous videos ko dati, dito ako naglalakad. So dyan, sa labas na yan, pag nagbe-break ako, din ako pumupunta. Tatayo lang dyan minsan, naupo sa mga side. And yan. Nakakamiss na
Kanang nagbaklag.
So, wala masyadong tao ngayon kasi Monday night. And kaya kami lumabas is because I don't have work tomorrow. And may po special day today. So, yun. Ginagawa nga pala nila dito is lalagay sila ng mga something like this. Mga box. Tapos lalagay nila sa labas. And then during weekend, napupuno talaga yan. At maraming tao dito na malabas and ngit-ngit ka. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so we learned that kung Lunes pala dito, wala masyadong tao at marami ding close na mga kainan paggabi. So uwi lang kami sa bahay, doon lang kami kakain. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm just giving you some idea about how it is here in St. John paggabi and kung anong i-expect nyo kung pupunta kayo dito. Tsaka hindi masyadong matao dito compared to other cities. So talagang ano siya, chill na lugar, chill na city. So makikita niyo yung yung intersection, halos ilan lang yung kotse. And yep, we're gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching and hanggang sa sunod nga video amping. Bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me